मालिनी के बारे में मैं आपको क्या बताऊं। मिस मालिनी, जैसे मैं आपको बता रहा था, इन्होंने तब ब्लॉगिंग शुरू किया जब oh hello, hi,
how's it going,
good, you tell how things with you.
Very good, very good.
Very good. I was just going ahead and introducing you, Malini, to everybody. Everybody knows you. There is no need for an introduction. But still, as a part of Unfollow series, I would introduce. So if you can give me 2 minutes, please.
Sure.
That works?
Sure.
Super.
Yes.
आप भी सुनिए कि आपकी शान आन बान में मैं क्या क्या कहता हूँ। So, मालिनी ने पहले उन्होंने जो है MTV इंडिया के साथ एज अ कॉपीराइटर काम किया, फिर उन्होंने रेडियो में एज अ रेडियो जॉकी भी काम किया 94.6, जो कि अब रेडियो 194.3 है। उसके बाद करते 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 उन्होंने मिड डे के अंदर कॉलम लिखा, उन्होंने MTV के उन्होंने चैनल वी का डिजिटल कंटेंट हेड बन के भी काम किया, और ये बहुत कुछ साथ साथ कर रही थी वो। तो मैं वो उनसे पूछूंगा जब हम बात कर रहे थे कि कैसे करती हैं इतना कुछ। Then she went ahead and she realized while she was writing the blog that somewhere that is her calling. And see where the calling got her. The calling has made her a person who runs $1 million company today, was angel funded in 2012. She has over 40 million views across her social media platform. बाप रे। और करते करते मालिनी अब सिर्फ एक डिजिटल इन्फ्लुएंसर नहीं है, ये टीवी होस्ट भी हैं। इन्होंने सबसे पहला अपना टीवी शो किया था 2014 में, मिस मालिनीज वर्ल्ड ऑन TLC। उसके बाद इन्होंने स्टाइल पुलिस भी किया, इनसाइड एक्सेस किया VH1 के ऊपर। एंड टुडे शी इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द बेस्ट सेलिंग ऑथर्स ऑफ आवर कंट्री। इन्होंने एक बुक लिखी है, टू द मून, हाउ आई ब्लॉक्ड माई वे टू बॉलीवुड। तो मतलब मालिनी, मैं अब ना आपके पास आ रहा हूं, आपकी और मेरी उम्र सेम ही है, पर इतना कुछ इतना कुछ कर लिया, कैसे किया, और हाउ डिड यू स्टार्ट ऑल ऑफ दिस? आई एम सो एक्साइटेड टू हियर योर अनफॉलो स्टोरी.
Oh, thank you so much. First of all, thank you so much for having me. It's
Thank
been very nice to hear this introduction. बड़ा अच्छा लगा.
Thank you.
I think मेरी कहानी is kind of interesting क्योंकि जब मैंने career शुरू किया था, I had no idea कि I would become a content creator because there was no such thing really as blogging. There was no such thing as content creators. हम किसी को follow नहीं करते थे, कोई हमें follow नहीं करता था. There was no such thing. The only song I remember is Uncle Cracker used to have a song called Follow Me. That's the only reference I have. But तो मैंने जब career शुरू किया था, I was a professional dancer with
Yes.
Sukhbir.
Yes.
6 साल मैं उनके साथ डांस करती थी. I loved it.
Yes.
फिर like you said, I worked at MTV, Channel V, radio भी किया. और मुझे लगा था कि blog मैं शुरू करूँगी, but just as a hobby. ऐसा कोई plan नहीं था कि blogging career बनेगा. उस टाइम तो कैसी कोई चीज़ भी नहीं थी. So I think over time it kind of became something that I would create. And मुझे लगता है कि हर किसी की दुनिया में कोई ऐसी की चीज़ें होती है that put you on the right path.
Yeah.
जैसे मैं मुंबई आई, I didn't know anyone. मेरे दोस्त यहाँ पर रहते थे. मैं एक weekend के लिए visit करने आई थी and I loved it so much कि I was like, चल, let me just stay here. So it's one of those things that I think being the right time, right place.
एंड जब यहाँ पे आप आई तो मैंने कहीं पे आपके इंटरव्यू में पढ़ा 625 रुपए रेंट, 6 लड़कियां साथ में और एक कबूतर. These were the residents, and somewhere that also became your motivation to go ahead and do something that okay, मुझे यहां से बाहर निकलना है. गुड.
Absolutely.
यस. एंड जब आप ब्लॉगर बनी, आपने ये भी बोला था, ये मतलब मैं इतना पढ़ के इसको हंसा जब मैं सुन रहा था. एक्चुअली आई हर्ड योर जोश टॉक्स. उसके अंदर आपने बताया योर मम यूज्ड टू थिंक दैट यू आर, व्हेन यू टोल्ड हर दैट यू आर अ ब्लॉगर, शी थॉट यू आर एन इंटरनेट ब्लॉकर. क्या आप प्लीज ये सबको बताएंगी?
So my mom is so sweet. मेरी मम्मी 80 साल की है. So it's pretty amazing कि वो Facebook पे यूज करती है, सब कुछ है. She's quite WhatsApp पे emojis भी भेजती है. But when I told her कि mom, अच्छा मैं blogging करने वाली हूँ, so she was like, blogging तो whenever she would talk to her friends, वो सबको बताती थी कि मेरी बेटी internet blogger है. And her logic was कि हमें इतना spam मिलता है और celebrities को तो और भी मिलता होगा, तो मालिनी बैठ के उनका spam block करती. So I love that वो logic कहाँ से लाई, but it's damn fun.
But see, I hope now your mother knows that मेरी बेटी जो है वो ब्लॉग करती है, सेलिब्रिटीज को सेलिब्रिटी बनाती है. Okay, now coming to Malini, so
अब तो वो भी मेरे लिए वीडियो बनाती है.
oh, I need to see. I have missed on seeing her videos. Then I need to go ahead and see what kind of videos does she make. वो कैसे वीडियोस बनाती है मालिनी?
She gives advice. Mummy knows best. तो लॉकडाउन में कैसे खुश रहना चाहिए, कैसे पॉजिटिव रहना चाहिए, कभी-कभी तो लव एडवाइस भी देती हैं. So she sometimes is savage auntie and sometimes mommy knows best.
So now taking your love वाला bit आगे, love advice. मालिनी, आपने इतनी settled job से, because इतने settled career में when you were there, you know, working with Channel V as the digital content head and going ahead and doing multiple things with your midday column also coming out, you decided to go ahead and take the plunge that I am going to go and start doing things on my own. इसके मैं दो पहलू जानना चाहूंगा बिकॉज हम सब ने कहीं ना कहीं वो किया है जो आज एंटरप्रेन्योर्स हैं. हाउ डिड इट अफेक्ट योर पर्सनल लाइफ एंड हाउ डिड इट अफेक्ट योर प्रोफेशनल लाइफ?
So yeah, like you said, इसके दो पहलू है. I think that for me, personal life it was great because, like you know, my CEO is my now husband.
Yes.
उस टाइम वो हार्वर्ड बिजनेस स्कूल में पढ़ रहे थे, नौशाद. एंड मेरे एक और बिजनेस पार्टनर है माइक, जो पहले से मेरे साथ ब्लॉगिंग में काम कर रहे थे. ही वाज माय बिजनेस मैनेजर एट दैट टाइम. और आई वाज रियली इचिंग टू डू ब्लॉगिंग फुल टाइम, बट उस टाइम देयर वाज नो इनकम. ऐसा कोई काम नहीं था. देयर वाज नो सैलरी फॉर बीइंग अ ब्लॉगर. बट आई रियली लव डूइंग इट एंड हर रोज मैं काम से वापस आती थी एंड आई लव ब्लॉगिंग. सो आई वाज हैविंग अ कन्वर्सेशन वन डे with Nausha and I said I want to do this full time, and he said, "Acha, now I'm working as an investment banker, so I'm making enough money. Why don't you try it for a year and see what happens?" And I think the best thing I did is कि मैंने एक साल का वो time frame लगाया था कि अच्छा, if it works in 1 year, great. If it doesn't, I'll do something else. Because I always felt confident कि अगर मुझे कुछ और काम चाहिए, I can always go back. I have done radio before. I've worked at MTV Channel V. तो मेरा ये confidence build हो गया था, and that's why I always tell people, do multiple jobs. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है that you can only do one thing.
Yes.
I learned so many things क्योंकि मैं दिन में MTV में काम करती थी, कॉलम लिखती थी और रात को रेडियो स्टेशन में काम करती थी. And so I learned so many different things. And personal life में it's interesting because a lot of people say कि what is it like working with your husband? तो उस time तो we didn't work together, but very soon after he became the CEO. And I actually really enjoy working with him क्योंकि हमारा काम ही ऐसा है. We can travel together. No 2 days are alike. वो business handle करते हैं and I get to be creative. ऐसा नहीं है कि we never argue. No couple will never argue.
Then there's a problem if they don't argue.
No business partners will never argue. There's a problem. And no business partners will never argue.
Yes.
So दोनों होता है. We just try to keep it slightly separate. But ऐसा भी है कि because we living, breathing now और आजकल तो कोरोना वायरस की वजह से हमारा ऑफिस भी घर पे ही है. So it was always like that, but now it's even more
like that.
But I think it's been quite an amazing journey, and it's very rare that you find someone who so strongly supports your dream. Like obviously it's a
exactly.
business,
exactly.
but for someone to believe, and I got a lot of confidence कि ये blog मैं full time करूँगी because Mike and Naushad said we believe this can be something that we both want to spend our full time careers on.
Wow, that's fantastic. So guys, Malini, I will keep recapping in between as well if you don't mind. So guys, what happens is, अब जैसा मालिनी ने आपको बताया कि आज के समय में, उन्होंने तो आज से बहुत टाइम पहले किया था. आप लोग सब बहुत पूछते हो कि सर कोरोना के बाद जो है कैसे होगा, कैसे करेंगे. सो प्लीज लिसन टू व्हाट मालिनी इज सेइंग. आपको मल्टीटास्कर बनना पड़ेगा. आप जब बहुत सारी चीजें साथ में करते हो, स्पेशली जिन चीजों में आपका इंटरेस्ट होता है, बिकॉज दैट कम्स फ्रॉम विद इन. आप कभी इंटरेस्ट वाली चीजें करते हुए थकते नहीं हो और आप कभी डरते नहीं हो. सो प्लीज कीप दीज थिंग्स इन माइंड. और जब भी आप कोई प्रोफेशन चूज करते हो, प्लीज रिमेंबर यू नीड टू बैलेंस योर पर्सनल एंड प्रोफेशनल लाइफ. जैसा मालिनी ने बताया, बहुत 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 जरूरी है ये करना. सो मालिनी, how now that you have so many things, you go ahead and you have a Miss Malini Bollywood, you have Miss Malini Beauty, there is Miss Malini Lifestyle, there is Miss Malini Fashion, and something that you want to leave as your legacy behind, which you call as Malini's Girl Tribe. How do you do all of this? There is so much of time management and planning that goes into this. So please advise on that.
So I mean, so one of the things is कि I don't do it alone anymore, right? पहले होता था that I used to blog alone. मैं अपने सोफे पे माइक के साथ बैठ के काम करती थी. But now I have a big team. There's 65 people, so I'm very lucky कि अलग-अलग लोग हैं जो अलग departments handle करते हैं. Having said that, I love to do a lot of things myself.
Okay.
आज भी शायद 6 lives हुए थे. But I think that I really love it, you know. और मुझे लगता है कि social media एक जगह बन चुकी है where you see a lot of negativity.
Yes.
और काफी time you feel that you're feeling a lot of fatigue और दूसरों की life देख के लगता है that my life is not so great. Just like you're saying, unfollow me. That's your concept.
Yes.
And मुझे लगा कि for girls especially, social media can be very traumatic क्योंकि एक तो हमारी DMs में क्या कचरा आता है, I can't even tell you.
I can imagine.
I think that we needed to create a safe space जहाँ पर we can talk to each other and there's no judgment. और Girl Tribe में जब now it started, I had 100 girls. अब now 42,000, 40,000 लड़कियाँ हैं. And they're so empathetic and so kind. And the best part is, there's no such thing कि you have to be a celebrity to get a reply. The best thing is कि आप कुछ भी कोई भी हो सकते हैं. Now if you go on social media, कोई Instagram account पे जाइए, celebrity है तो they're going to get hundreds of comments. और आपके Instagram पे बस 2 लोग comment करेंगे and आपको बुरा लगेगा. But if you come to Girl Tribe, all the people reply और लंबे replies लिखते हैं. They really focus and they और मुझे लगता है that they're using social media correctly. Social media क्या है? It's supposed to be a way to amplify your relationships on a scale that you can't do in real life. कितने सारे लोग आपके Facebook friends हो सकते हैं 5,000. But in real life, you could not keep up with 5,000. So what was the purpose? The purpose of social media was to create connections like that. मगर हमने social media का क्या से क्या बना दिया?
कचरा.
We made it something which is very negative, very angry. We just spread negative news and trolling. But I've also seen positivity. Just we started a show called Some Good News, जहाँ पर we focus on happy stories. You're seeing a lot of people who are doing good things and we should use social media to focus on that. And I think that's kind of my goal. 10 साल से मैं ये करते आ रही हूँ. I feel like little Miss Malini is now grown up, and I want my life to mean something. कि जब मैं जाऊँ मेरे पीछे कुछ रहे that people said, okay, she made a difference.
I am sure there will be. I am positive. And one thing that I love about you, Malini, is that आपने एक जो रास्ता पकड़ा है ना, that I will only go ahead and put out positive content and I will not go ahead and write about anybody that I cannot tell them on their face. ये जो आपने 2 चीजें रखी हैं अपने काम में, you are in social media. Social media is majorly about gossip, and gossip comes a lot out of negativity. So how are you thriving with your values and with, you know, the environment that it asks for? How are you doing that?
I think it was a risk maybe because especially अगर आप blogger बनते हो या celebrity content लिखते हो, people will expect you to write gossip. And मैंने जब शुरू किया था, I did. I used to write gossip. And मुझे बुरा लगता था when I used to write a story about someone and he used to say or she used to say कि आपने ऐसे क्या लिखा? Why did you do that? And I remember distinctly because Ranveer Singh and I started our careers around the same time. And when I met him, I was like, oh, so happy to meet you. And he said, I'm very mad at you. And I was like, why? Because somebody on my blog had written कि वो rap अच्छा नहीं करते, and he felt really bad. And देखो, after that, years after, he's done Gully Boy. And so I was like, you know, I don't want to be someone who says bad things and makes people feel bad just for a few clicks and just to get some followers. And I decided कि आपने वो show देखा होगा Black Mirror. Social media technology has given us this free pass कि हम जो भी जैसा भी behave करें सब कुछ चलता है because हम computer के पीछे से कर रहे हैं. But I think more and more हमें ये सोचना चाहिए and whenever you're going to do something online, ये सोचिए कि अगर मैं ये real life situation में होता, would I behave the same way? Think about it. जैसे कि आप अगर Facebook पे हैं, हाँ? Imagine that it's somebody's party. Would you invade someone else's party? एक तो बिना बुलाए you wouldn't show up, right? You wouldn't go to their house and yell at them. आप ये तो नहीं करते, guys. You wouldn't go and drop your pants to say hello. You know, you wouldn't do these things. मगर online ये सब कुछ होता है. So
and worse
and think.
And worse happens.
Correct.
So please carry on.
No, and I think that's what's important. And in terms of when it comes to positivity, so I did a TED talk on this and मैंने 3 चीज कहा था. Okay, so one, obviously, don't say anything you can't say to someone's face. Second is spark joy. आपने ये show देखा होगा Mary Kondo का, that you should so spark joy. जो भी आप करें, put a smile on somebody's face. And तीसरी चीज, and this applies to your show. तीसरी चीज, remember that followers are people too. अभी हमने क्या किया है, हमने फॉलोअर्स को एक नंबर बना दिया है कि कितने फॉलोअर्स। ये हम सोचते नहीं है कि these are people of all those hundreds and thousands of people, every number is a person. मगर हम क्या करते हैं, we look for those numbers and भूल जाते हैं। So I would think that it's better if you have 100 followers जिनसे आप interact करें, जिनका आप नाम जाने, जिनकी बातें आप सुने, जिनसे आप बात करें, then you have millions that you ignore. Because again, it's the equivalent of going out, handing out your business card and never picking up.
Exactly. Thank you so much Malini for reinstating a few facts जो कि हम unfollow में कितनी बार बता चुके हैं, that quality is what matters, quantity does not. आप एक इंसान हैं, दूसरे को इंसान समझिए, because at the end of the day it is these human relations that make your life more joyful, more beautiful. नंबर्स की जहां तक बात रही, आप लोगों में से कितने लोग हैं जो कि जाकर ऐसे फॉलोअर्स खरीदते हैं? यू नो देयर आर ऑल दीज थिंग्स दैट आर हैपनिंग. इट डज नॉट हेल्प, इट डज नॉट हेल्प एट ऑल. क्योंकि जैसा मालिनी ने भी बोला कि ये नंबर्स जो है ना, ये एक इंसान है, आप एक डिजिटल रिश्ता बना रहे हो उनके साथ. आप अपने आप को कहीं से, यू आर बिलिटलिंग योर सेल्फ इफ यू आर थिंकिंग दैट ओनली दीज नंबर्स मेक मी फील गुड अबाउट माई सेल्फ. दैट्स अ वेरी रॉन्ग वे ऑफ यू इवन लुकिंग एट योर सेल्फ. डोंट इवन डू दैट. उनके लिए तो खराब है ही है जिनको आप नंबर की नंबर ट्रीट कर रहे हो, ये आपके लिए बहुत खराब है. उनके लिए भी खराब है और आपके खुद के लिए भी खराब है, बिकॉज समवेयर यू आर लिविंग दैट लाइफ.
इट्स आल्सो द इक्विवेलेंट. अगेन थिंक अबाउट द फैक्ट दैट आर यू saying कि आप रियल लाइफ में जाके किसी को पैसा देंगे टू बी माय
फ्रेंड. एग्जैक्टली ऐसा तो नहीं करेंगे ना, बिल्कुल भी नहीं करेंगे. सो दैट ब्रिंग्स मी टू अनदर थिंग नाउ, बिकॉज यू नो you are a pioneer, you came in with all these good values, great values, and you have kind of proven it that good content, happy content, meaningful content works. Now there are so many of these people who are watching you, will be listening to you, they have been listening to you. आप उनको क्या कहना चाहोगे अगर वो ब्लॉगिंग में आना चाहें, अगर वो इन्फ्लुएंसर बनना चाहें? How should they go about it? And the second thing is, please put some light on this fake and real thing. You know, these fake likes, fake followers, I am tired of all of them asking कि हम लोग ऐसा करके इन्फ्लुएंसर बन जाएं क्या? So Malini, coming from you, it will make a lot of sense.
Yeah, I absolutely think no point buying followers, क्योंकि actually the algorithm will work against you.
Yeah.
अगर आप fake followers खरीदेंगे,
exactly.
knows, Facebook knows
exactly.
कि वो fake हैं, क्योंकि वो accounts भी bots हैं.
Yeah, they're bots.
They're not real people. उनके एक दो followers होंगे, so you're not going to, you're actually doing yourself more damage by doing that. So don't do that.
Yeah.
I think when it comes to becoming an influencer, या अभी आप blogger बनना चाहते हैं, don't do it for the sake of it. Don't do it to make money, क्योंकि day one से तो पैसा बनने वाला नहीं है.
Yeah.
Have a regular job जहाँ से पैसा आता है, and do this for the passion. मैं हमेशा सबसे यही कहती हूँ that don't try to be a rich and famous blogger. Don't try to be a rich and famous anything. आप ये सोचिए कि अगर what is the one thing जो आप करते for the rest of your life, even if no one's paying you to do it, and then find a way to make that your career, and then money and fame will follow.
And at the end of the day, we all are human beings. We all are here to evolve and learn. So when we do something that we feel passionate about, जो हमें सच में लगता है हमारे अंदर से आ रहा है, जिंदगी और खुशहाल हो जाती है. क्योंकि धीरे धीरे उम्र के साथ आप ऐसे काम नहीं करना चाहते हो जो कि आपको अंदर से पसंद ना हो, बिकॉज वो फिर जिंदगी एक बोझ जैसी बन जाती है. आप लोग जो इतना मालिनी को और जो और लोग आए हैं अनफॉलो पे, आप लोग इतना उनको सराहते हैं, वो इसलिए यहां पहुंच पाए हैं क्योंकि वो लोग वो काम कर रहे हैं जिसमें वो सच में बिलीव करते हैं, जिसके लिए उनको काम जैसा काम नहीं लगता है. सो प्लीज गो अहेड एंड फाइंड दैट पैशन इन योरसेल्फ. करेक्ट मी इफ आई एम रॉन्ग, मालिनी. Could you hear, Malini, what I said?
I missed your last question.
No, I just said that, I'm talking about that whatever people feel passionate about, they should only go ahead and do that in life. So I was just telling you to reinstate, because, you are all about passion.
And, Neeraj, I'll tell you something about passion, which is interesting. मुझे हमेशा लगता था passion is something you love doing every day. But that's not true. Passion is something that you love so much that even on the days you don't enjoy doing it, you still do it because you have passion.
Exactly.
क्योंकि काफी बार ये होता है that you do something and for 2 days you feel कि आज I didn't enjoy doing this, and you'll think कि ये मेरा passion नहीं. How can it be my passion if I didn't enjoy it? and that's just not the case.
Yeah.
So मेरा भी ऐसे होता है. I don't love what I do every day. There's some days I don't want to get out of bed. There's some days I don't want to put on makeup. मगर overall I love my life because I love what I do.
Exactly. सबके साथ ऐसा होता है because at the end of the day we all are human beings. हम लोग यहाँ पे कोई चाबी भरे हुए कोई वो खिलौने तो है नहीं कि एक बार चाबी भरी तो ये चलते ही रहेंगे. There will be a time जब वो चाबी भरी हुई खत्म हो जाएगी, वो लो एंड आउट वाला फेज भी आएगा. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि जो आप कर रहे हो वो गलत कर रहे हो. इसका मतलब ये है कि आपका दिमाग, आपका शरीर, आपका मन कह रहा है थोड़ा रुक जा. पॉज लेने में कोई परेशानी नहीं है. पॉज लो फिर आगे चलो. Don't define your passion without a pause. If there is a pause, don't worry. Pauses happen in life. Coming to next thing. Now, because you yourself are a blogger and you go ahead and do this Bollywood thing that everybody is so curious about, what do you have to say about this paparazzi culture that has come into India?
I mean, I think it's one of those things that the demand creates the need, the product. And ऐसा नहीं है that I think paparazzi culture is wrong. Everybody likes to read about their favorite celebrities. And ऐसा है because we love movies. क्योंकि हर Bollywood movie is a dream. An escape from reality. वो 3 घंटों के लिए you are somewhere else. And the reason why people love celebrities, क्या खाते हैं, कहाँ जाते हैं, who they're dating, is because it's an extension of that dream. And so I think that's fine. मुझे ये लगता है कि sometimes a paparazzi culture crosses the line. जब वो बहुत पर्सनल हो जाता है, जैसे कि ऋतिक और कांगना के बीच में it became
too much.
When the paparazzi becomes dangerous, where it was the cause for Princess Diana's death. That is where you need to draw the line. And I think this is the responsibility of all the media houses.
Exactly.
Media houses कि उनको कैसी चीज कैसे कवर करना चाहिए, and what is their responsibility and how far are they going. And ऐसा भी है, see, there's a lot of photographers who go out to take pictures, and the reason they're being invasive is क्योंकि magazines ये pictures खरीदते हैं and people are watching them. So it's a cycle. If you say that I don't like paparazzi culture, then don't be part of it. And अगर आपको लगता, then you as a magazine should say, no, I'm not going to buy pictures that are invasive and unkind. So it's something that all of us have to do. I don't think we can be holier than thou and हम सब fix कर सकते हैं. But overall, I think overall we can make a difference by doing more good than consuming the negative.
You know, the only reason I asked you, Malini, this was because जितने लोग इसको देख रहे हैं ना, उनमें से कोई पापराजी हैं कि नहीं वो मुझे पता नहीं है, बट ये सब लोग ऐसे हैं, most of them, सब नहीं बोलूंगा, जो कि जब किसी सेलिब्रिटी को देखते हैं ना, फटाफट से अपना फोन निकालकर फोटो खींचने के लिए पहुंच जाते हैं. They do not realize that आप किसी की privacy invade कर रहे हो. So guys and girls, अगर आपको ऐसे कोई दिखते हैं, पहली बात तो सेलिब्रिटीज भी इंसान हैं. दूसरी बात, अगर आपको वो दिख रहे हैं, आपको उनके साथ तस्वीर खींचनी है, तो प्लीज गो अहेड एंड फर्स्ट आस्क फॉर परमिशन. आर दे इवन कंफर्टेबल गोइंग अहेड एंड क्लिकिंग? If they say yes we are, then click. ये जो दूर से बैठकर कोने से वीडियो बनाना, उनके साथ चिपक के बस जबरदस्ती फोटो खींचना, ये आप खुद सोचो ना, आपके घर में अगर मैं जबरदस्ती घुस जाऊं बिना आपकी परमिशन के, तो आपको कैसा रहेगा? कभी सोचा है? तो प्लीज ये जो भी बातें हो रही है ना, ये कहीं ना कहीं से पापराजी एक बिजनेस है, लेकिन आपको भी ये समझाया जा रहा है कि इंडिविजुअल लेवल पे ऑल्सो यू नीड टू बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल. सो प्लीज रिमेंबर दैट. नाउ कमिंग टू what is your most favorite beat that you do? Is it Bollywood? Is it fashion? Is it beauty? I will not include Girl Tribe in this because I know you will say Girl Tribe.
Yeah, I was going to say Girl Tribe. I think, see, I've always loved Bollywood. मैं ऐसी तो कोई beauty specialist या fashion specialist हूँ नहीं. I haven't studied film or journalism, मगर it's always been my passion. And I really enjoy doing interviews with celebrities. मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगता है to talk to them and ask them something fun or different. So probably Bollywood.
Good. So on that note, you take me to my next thing, which is the last thing on this. I'm going to play a game with you, which is going to be the fun bit of it. So let's see. Miss Malini ने आज तक लोगों से सवाल पूछे, आज Miss Malini से पूछा जाएगा. Okay, Malini, who's the most positive person you have met in Bollywood? Quickly,
Ranveer Singh. Ranveer Singh.
Okay. Who's the most fun person you've met in Bollywood?
Oh, now that's the same answer. But I would say probably Deepika Padukone.
Okay, a husband-wife couple. My God. Okay.
But they were like that even before.
Before that, yeah, वो तो, I mean, I have done a show with Ranveer, so I know. Oh my God, he can be fun and he's good. The designer that you love the most.
I really love Shantanu and Nikhil because they're also lovely people, and Tarun Telyani because he reminds me of Gru from Despicable Me.
Okay. Now, who, as per you, who's the best Bollywood photographer and who's the best fashion photographer?
So there's a lot of guys in terms of Bollywood. There's
Who do you
Yogesh
think is the
and Viral.
best? Okay.
So actually, I think Rohan Shrestha is the
Is
best.
the best. Okay.
Does an amazing job. And then you're asking what's the other one?
Fashion photographer.
Fashion photographer. I mean, nowadays there's so many of them. I would say, yeah, there's Atul Kasbekar, Rohan Shrestha, all of them are there.
Okay, cool. Now, when you have gone and interviewed people, who has been the one who's given you those wittiest one-liners?
I think probably Sushmita Sen.
Really? Sosha's given you? Oh, God.
It's really funny.
Yeah, because,
You wouldn't have thought, yeah.
No, because I have done IMC 2010 with her, so we've kind of almost been together for that 1 year, so I know how Sush can be. She's great with the one-liners. Okay, I would have, if somebody would have asked me, I would have said Saif Ali Khan, because I know, my God, you hear his interviews and you're like, wow. Okay,
True.
someone who speaks from his or her heart, does not mince words.
Priyanka Chopra.
Oh, Priyanka does not mince. She says as is. Super.
She does.
Okay. Who, as per you, has the best skin female in Bollywood?
I think Alia Bhatt has amazing skin, but so does Katrina. I mean, I don't know how much of it is. I never see it
Yeah,
without
bare
the makeup
face.
on.
Okay. And in terms of men,
Skin.
yeah. I'm covering
I don't know,
all the
maybe-
beats that you
yeah.
do.
I think maybe, I guess it would be Shahid Kapoor. He's very
Shahid
healthy
has-
and
yeah.
he's a vegetarian and drinks a lot
Yeah.
of water, so he must have good skin.
Yeah. Okay. Now, who has the best smile as per you? A smile that reaches hearts. Female.
Madhuri Dixit has the best
Best
smile
smile,
in
yeah.
Bollywood.
Yes.
And I really like Farhan Akhtar's smile.
Okay, that meant fantastic. Now, as per you, because you interview so many of them, who's the busiest actor male today?
Today, the busiest actor, I mean, it would probably be Ranveer Singh, but I have to say, the one who feels the busiest is Amitabh Bachchan.
Yeah.
Because he's cut to cut. He's
yeah.
in, on time, out. In.
And who's the busiest actor female?
Again, right now it depends on the season of when they're working and what's happening, right? So I guess probably Alia, Deepika would probably be the busiest.
Okay. Is there anybody who's pending on your list in Bollywood you'd like to interview?
Amir Khan.
You haven't interviewed Amir yet?
You know, I met him a couple of times, and I remember once I told him that I've been in love with you since I was 9 years old, and
Yeah.
मैंने सोचा must have made him feel very old. And the second time, I tripped on his feet during a movie screening,
Yeah.
and I was like, oh, sorry. And then I was like, oh no, that's Amir Khan.
Oh God. I don't know if I should ask you this, if you'll answer this. Anyone do you think is overrated in this industry? If you don't want to answer,
I don't
it's
know.
fine.
Yeah. I don't know if they're overrated. I think that they were really high
Overexposed.
expectations.
Okay.
Oh, overexposed. I think there were really high expectations of Ranbir Kapoor, and that's a lot to live up to.
Yeah.
So I think it's hard to live up to those expectations.
Wow, fantastic. Malini, this has been a wonderful conversation. You are really, really an aspirational, inspirational personality. Before you go,
Thank
any
you.
2 lines, most welcome. Any 2 lines that you'd like to say to everybody who's watching you, because they all look up to you. I can read the comments.
Well, thank you so much for all the love. All I have to say is stay home, stay safe. This will also pass. We'll be okay again, and we will be past. Just remember this love that you have been feeling and missing. Carry that with you. Agli baar when you go out, thoda sa aur pyar se sabse miliye. Give them a smile and care. And I spoke to Bhuvan Bam today, and he said the best thing. He said, after you hear this conversation today, go and call someone that has worked for you. अपने maid से पूछे, अपने watchman से पूछे. You don't have to do anything. बस उनका हाल
हाल
पूछे.
पूछिए.
And that makes a big difference.
Yeah, that's what I also tell everybody. लिफ्ट में जब वो एक इंसान लिफ्ट में खड़ा होता है ना सारा दिन, आप जब जाके सिर्फ ये बोलते हो फ्लोर 10, 414, 416,
Yeah.
एक बार कभी मुड़ के खुद को इमेजिन करो वो 4x4 के डब्बे के अंदर सारा दिन, नानी याद आ
Yeah.
जाएगी. So it's very important you go ahead and you say that hi, कैसे हैं आप? Thank you so much, Malini. Means
Thank
a
you.
ton for you to come on and be a part of
Thank
the
you.
Unfollow series. Thanks a ton.
And I have to say hi to Sakshi. She watches all the lives and always gives me so much love. Thank you so much, Sakshi. I really love you.
How? Wow. See, this is wonderful. That's why Miss Malini is Miss Malini. Thank you, Malini. Thank you, guys.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you, guys. This was Miss Malini. उन्होंने आकर हमें इतनी सारी चीजें बताई हैं अपनी जिंदगी के बारे में, कैसे वो टाइम मैनेजमेंट करती हैं, कितना वो प्लानिंग के साथ चलती हैं, कितना मल्टीटास्किंग करती हैं, पैशन कितना उनके लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है, और सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी, शी बिलीव्स इन स्प्रेडिंग पॉजिटिविटी. वो बोलते हैं ना, मन चंगा तो कठौती में गंगा. It is one thing which stands true for her and has been holding on for so many years. आप अच्छे हो ना तो आपको बाहर वाले भी सब अच्छे दिखेंगे. अच्छाई बांटो, अच्छाई फैलाओ. दुनिया में दुख कष्ट कम है क्या? So please go ahead and spread positivity. Stay home, stay happy, stay safe. It is very important. Take care. Thank you so much for joining in. This was Unfollow for you, and we will go ahead and post when the next Unfollow is coming and with who. Take care. Thanks a lot. Bye.